Hello everyone and welcome to IamYourDataScientist.com. It's been long. I hadn't had a time to record a video, so I thought it's been, I think, about a month or so, more than a month, quite several weeks before I had recorded a video. So I thought let's get back on track and start recording weekly videos. So today I'm going to talk about the exciting feature which Amazon has to offer. So there's a couple of things it has. So for example, like Amazon Polly, Comprehend. So later on we'll be doing some SageMaker's machine learning, so on and so forth. So today what I'm interested is in Amazon Polly. So what is Amazon Polly? So Amazon Polly is text to speech converter. So for example, if you type in your text here, and if you were to play, it would play out. So for example, I'm just going to change the language. I want English, British English, and I want Brian's male voice. So let's start hearing it. So this would translate that into speech. That sounds impressive. So just for a fun, I have copied some of my profile, some of my CV, just to make it fun, not to trumpet my own things, blow my own trumpet, but just to make it fun, how good it is, and how amusing it can be, and how interesting it can be. So I've got some of my CV content here. So let's read out. Excellent. So how much fun can you have with Polly? So one of the other feature of Polly is SSML, which is to use any language text, not any language, but some of the languages it provides. For example, Hindi, Icelandic, Italian, Japanese, Korean, Norwegian, German, French, so on and so forth. This language it detects and it speaks out to you. For example, Polish, Portuguese, Romanian. So if you have a text in, say Mandarin, you can copy here and you can ask Polly to speak out those words. So just for a sake of example, I've copied some of the Hindi poem from online and just pasted here between these tags, speak tag. So let's see how it reads out to us. By the way, SSML means Speech Synthesis Markup Language. So it's SSML means Speech Synthesis Markup Language. So let's see how this rolls out. I hadn't heard before, so this is the first time I'm listening to it. So let's see how it goes. It's funny. It's I must agree. I must confess, it's funny, but it's quite accurate in terms of what it's reading, pronunciation wise. So yeah, I think it has great feature, this SSML as well. So what does it Amazon has to offer? What are the other features it has to offer? Let's have a look. Another amazing feature of Amazon AWS is the Amazon Comprehend. So what does it do? It's an API service. What it does, it takes text and it processes in natural language processing, and it's called NLP, obviously, and text analytics. So what does it do is it kind of does topic modeling. I think it currently provides in English and Spanish. So it creates like entity, key phrase, key language sentiments, analysis, so on and so forth. So let's try and see how it works. So I'm just using demo from Amazon. So what it's saying, try out new look and feel of the Comprehend console. We have heard your feedback and try out, let us know what you think. Switch to old console. Okay, so this is new console. So let's try and say analyze. So currently it's saying Amazon.com including is located in Seattle, so on and so forth, founded by Jeff, and allowing customer buying everything from book to bundle, so on and so forth. So let's try and see what it does. So now what it has done is it has categorized all the keywords. For example, Amazon, it automatically detects saying, oh, it comes as a organization category, whereas Seattle is location, Poland is location, Starbucks is an organization, Boeing is an organization. It's saying key phrase. So it's saying it has, for Amazon.com, it has 90% confidence interval that it is 90% confident that this Amazon.com is an organization. At the same time, the location is Seattle, WA, is 89%, just about 90% is confident that it is a location. How about this? Look at this. It's 99% plus, saying Jeff Bezos is a person. That's amazing. So it has inbuilt algorithm which detects, or which does all this machine learning at back end, and gives you all these confidence intervals. So let me try some other text. Just for example, like the one, for example, mine, not in Hindi, but okay. Again, I have just used my profile data text. See how it performs. Um, So now it's saying AWS is an organization, Excel is title, YouTube is an organization, GitHub, blog, Kaggle, title. So it's quite doing quite okay, I think. Let's go to the other page. It's saying 2012 is as a date, but yeah, because I've said SQL Server 2012 separate. There's a space in between, so it detected as a date, as a year. What about key phrase? Key phrase is like, for example, technical sophisticated data, research scientists, 84% confidence, data engineering, about 99%, healthcare sector, key phrase, it's saying in my CV. Yeah, this is amazing feature, and I think it's got quite good potential. For a use. Imagine if you have thousands of document or text coming into your system, and if you want to analyze, or you want to categorize, or you want to data model, or you want to topic model. So this is how you do it. Another great feature I wanted to talk about was the Amazon Lex. I'm sure you must have heard of Alexa, the small black box, which recognizes your voice, and it acts upon. So, for example, you say Alexa. You must have seen an ad saying, "Oh, Alexa, play this music, play that. What's the temperature today? What's my day look like, so on and so forth." So it uses the same functionality. So this is what it's saying here. Amazon Alexa is a service for building conversational interfaces using voice and text. It uses the same deep learning engine that powers, obviously, the Alexa, and you can integrate your own, or you can develop your own Lex using natural language processes. It also uses chatbots. So let's get started with this. Let's see how we can use this. So you can see it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different stages of processes. So in it, you can have your custom-made processes. So in here, what I'm saying, book a trip. So within a book a trip, I'm saying what's the user want? What is it saying? I'd like to book a hotel. Then Alexa is saying, are you sure you want to book a hotel? Then saying yes, and saying which city. Then it says New York. Then it says what date you want to go into. So it prompts to user and say what dates you would like to check in, so on and so forth. So let's see if we can create this. I've never used this before, by the way. Let's see if it is easy to use or not. Again, it uses COPPA. I think this is Children's Online Privacy Protection Act. This is to do with the US, I think, law enforcement for children. So children under 16 or 18, I'm not sure, I think 16 you cannot book a hotel if you're under 16. Same in UK. I think if you are under 16, you cannot do certain things. You cannot do a transaction by your own self, by yourself. So let's agree. Verification. Please indicate. Show you the boss. Bot is subject to. Okay. Oh no, minor. Okay, setting. So you can see it's got all the tags: pickup, pickup city, date, return date, driver rate, so on and so forth. You can see it's plain text, basically returning plain text. So now it's saying book a trip was successfully built. So let's try book a hotel. What city you want? So I would say London. Okay. What day you want to check in? Say today is the 22nd of December. So I would say Christmas Tuesday. 25th December 2018. How many nights do you want to stay in? So I want to stay 5 nights. What type of room would you like? For example, queen duplex. I would say deluxe. Deluxe. Okay, I have you down for 5 nights stay in London. Shall I book the reservation? Say yes. Ready for fulfillment. Let me say great. Yes, obviously you can see there's more work needs to be done. So I'm sure you must have came across where when you suddenly log on to a certain website, for example, call center, or where there's frequent answers needs to be called in. So like frequent questions and so on and so forth. You can automate those questions. Usually when I log in into for my phone company, for example, O2 and all that, so the chat box automatically pops up and say, oh, how can I help you? My name is this and that, and it all starts writing up before any human intervention. So the human can have the other side person or employee staff can have a proper good look and tailor-made the response. So this is really a good way of using Lex. Let's see what else it has to offer. Okay, another feature of Amazon Web Service is the recognition. So what it does is it uses deep learning algorithm and it visualizes the images to verify whether to categorize it, whether it's a human or whatever, famous person or anything. So it uses image, for example. So you can see it has 89.3% confidence that this is a human. That's a skateboard, it's car. This is related to automobile. You can see all this automobile here. Let's try this. 89.3% confidence that this is a human. That's a skateboard, it's car. You can, let's try this. 89.3% confidence that this is a human. That's all. This is related to automobile. You can see all this automobile here. You can, let's try this. 89.3% confidence that this is a human. That's a skateboard, it's car. You can, let's try this. you can see it's saying it's a building, urban, city, metropolitan. Let me try my own picture. Not my own, but I had downloaded. There you go. I'll try. There you go. So it's saying it has recognized as these are the faces. This is person. That's person. That is a person. So it has forgot to recognize Anita Ambani. Anita Ambani was Sachin's wife, Anjali Tendulkar as a person. But you can see it has also detected like Kohli is wearing glasses, Anushka is wearing glasses. So it has detected correctly about 98% saying, oh, in the picture there are people who are wearing sunglasses. So this is quite good when it comes to detecting. There's some cases, for example, if you have hundreds of thousands of images and you want to pull out only certain tagged images, you can do that using Amazon Rekognition. So let's see what other features it has. So again, it's got one of other feature is the image moderation. So you can see the view is a bit blurred out because you don't want to show some images which are not meant to be seen by children or anyone else. So you can see in this case this is all right, but in this case it's blurred out because there's a woman wearing a bikini, so that's not although it has detected like it's a swimwear, underwear, so on and so forth. So this is not appropriate for some children or some people, might not be appropriate. What about facial analysis? Okay, so this is quite interesting. So it's saying it has detected she is a female. She's her age range between 20 to 38 years old. She's smiling, yes. Appears to be happy. Not wearing sunglasses. Yeah, probably she's wearing goggles rather than sunglasses. So what if I was to upload my own data? Let's again go back to the yeah, this looks like a face. This looks like a face. That's and that. There are 4 persons in a picture. Age range between 26 to 43. I think that's just about right. Kohli is when this picture was taken, I guess he was around 26, 28, and Tendulkar is 40 plus, and she is I think just about 45 plus something. Let me try other image, which is this gentleman here. Let's see. Okay, looks like a face. Appear to be a male. Okay, that's impressive. Smiling. Appear to be surprised. Okay. That at one point it's saying it appeared to be smiling, which is 98% confident. Not wearing sunglasses, that's for sure. Eyes open. Yeah, is it? Yeah, kind of eyes are open. Has no beard, yeah. Mustache, yeah. Mouth is open, yes. Eyes are open, not wearing sunglasses. What if I was to upload my own picture? Let's see what it goes. Yeah, kind of appear to be a male. Not smiling, yeah, I'm not smiling, not wearing sunglasses. What about, yeah, I'm not that old. I think it seems like it's just categorizes in that range. Probably they've got written algorithm that between 26 and 40 plus is the highest range in their training data set, and they must have categorizing detect this if certain proportion comes in, you just give this age range or something like that. So more eyes open, mouth is closed, does not have a mustache, beard. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, I was looking for a bit more and saying, oh, he's wearing a business suit or smart or something. I was expecting those tags, but I think you can see you can improve on this. Definitely, there's some improvements needed. But nevertheless, I think it's a great feature of Amazon Rekognition. Oh, there's another one was celebrity recognition. So yeah, you know who this is. Jeff Bezos is Amazon founder, co-founder, and the other one is also Amazon co-founder, Andy Jassy. So let me try and upload my own pictures, which is this. See if they can recognize Tendulkar, Kohli, and Anushka. Okay, they were successfully recognized Anushka, but not Kohli and Tendulkar. Well, I think Anushka is more on social media than Kohli and Tendulkar, just because she's Bollywood actresses. So that I guess probably explains. Yeah, this is about 99% saying she's Anushka. Yeah, okay, they've got Anushka Sharma's profile. Oh, it's from, okay, coming from DB. Okay, that's a new movie. Anyway, so what if I was to upload my photo? Would that come up as a celebrity? No, I'm not a celebrity. Definitely not. Is there any other images I'm just thinking of? No. Let's look at another image. So what it does is compares references this image to the given images. So it's saying from the reference image and in comparison image, saying it's equals to that. It's about 900% really, basically. And obviously it detects three different individuals and compares it against the first reference image. Let's try this one. Okay, so you can see it has detected, saying she's in this picture, that's her in that picture, and again it's not equal to that image is not equal to that. You can play around with it. Text in image, okay, you can see it detects text in image and say it's Monday, but keep smiling. So yeah, I've got another image of Sachin Tendulkar, and it's got some text. I think when he reached his 200 runs in ODI, so you can see it's from webground.com website. Sachin Tendulkar must have lost 200 runs in ODI. Then hate losing and cricketer being my, yeah. So what it does is it takes each word and put that into a text. So this is again great way of texting images. So imagine if you have hundreds of thousands of images and you want to extract what text it is. So for example, if you have a very old very old archived newspaper, and you scanned them, and you want to kind of extract the content of it, you can use image recognition text in images. So you might be thinking, like, what is the business case? What is the business case here? So the one thing you would use is you'd use S3 to store all your images or all your data first into S3. From S3 you would trigger a Lambda saying, oh, Lambda would say, oh, in S3 there's a file, there's an images. Then it would trigger a recognition and which would use elastic search which what it would do is it would label all the images, saying what date it was created, bring out all the tags. Basically, it's a metadata about those data about an image, and output that into whether CSV or S3 bucket again, or Redshift, or any database, just for you to analyze further. So there's another great feature of Amazon Rekognition is the video analysis. So there's a video of Jeff here. I think it's about 20 minutes or something. Yeah, about 18 seconds. Sorry, not minute, second. About 18 seconds. Speaking, both of them, both Amazon co-founder, interviewing each other, I think. You can upload your own video. I think there's a limit for a demo. You cannot upload more than a certain size, I think. But let's try. I want to try out video here. So from the video, it has detected saying there are two people in a video, two celebrities. There are about 9 objects and activities, so like human, people, person, audience, chair, bed, speech. So I think you get the point what Amazon Rekognition do. I'm not gonna go and upload. I don't have a video, so I'll just leave it here. There's some pricing here, which is quite important when to use. Yes, you can see 10 cents per 1 minute of archive video analyzed, portrait for partial minute. So depends on, again, the metadata we were talking about, face metadata storage, but price per 1,000 face metadata stored per month is just about 1 cent, which is quite good, I think. So hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more videos on stay tuned for more videos on AWS and SageMakers and machine learning, data science in R, so on and so forth. So I think I'm in a full swing now, so I'll keep on recording some more videos. So yeah, thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope you had a great Christmas and a happy New Year. Thank you very much. Bye.